How to disable Chrome extensions without disabling them across multiple sync devices. I use Chrome across 4 different workstations and I have my extensions synced across all of them. The problem I have is that one of the extensions, Gestures for Chrome, works great if you've got an actual mouse, but on a trackpad on Ubuntu, it just gets in the way. If I disable it on the Ubuntu machine, it gets disabled on all Chrome installations due to its internal sync mechanism. Q. Can I selectively disable an extension on just a single machine?
Maybe this is not what you are looking for, but you can try this. Open the settings menu within Chrome by clicking on try-line/wrench icon on right corner. Now open the advanced sync settings. Now select the option choose what to sync and then unmark the extensions option. Now your extension will not sync with other PCs.
Based on the security concern, Chrome doesn't sync any extension which contains npoppy plugin. Source. What is npoppy plugin? Code running in npoppy plugin has the full permissions of the current user and is not sandboxed or shielded from malicious input by Google Chrome in any way. You should be especially cautious when processing input from untrusted sources, such as when working with content scripts or XML HTTP request. Source. Theory. If we modify your extension in a way that Chrome recognizes the extension using Poppy, you should be fine. How to? First, you need a dummy.dll from any Poppy extension like Screen Capture by Google. The extension was removed from Google Play Store in the meantime because Google decided to drop Poppy support. But this doesn't matter for our scenario. Fortunately, the official Screen Capture wiki still contains the source code. We don't need the complete extension, only the poppy.dll screen_capture.dll. Download it directly. Second, go to the extensions folder that should not be synced. In your case, Gestures for Chrome. ../profile/default/jpkfiglakev-pinajibgibcock/1.12.1_0. Modify the manifest.json file and add the Poppy plugin as described on Stack Overflow or even better on developer.chrome.com. Modify the background.html file of your extension you don't want to sync, also described on the Stack Overflow answer above. It may be necessary to re-enable Poppy support in the future via Chrome column //flags/#enable-poppy. From here you are on your own. I don't know enough about extension coding. That's why it's a theory, smiley face.
You could install the extension you want as a local extension. Find the ID of the extension you want from Chrome column // extensions with developer mode enabled. Navigate to your Google installation directory. Windows column %localappdata% /Google /Chrome /user data /default /extensions /extension 3 /version of the number. Save it somewhere. User directory maybe. Return to Chrome column // extensions with developer mode enabled and press load unpacked extension, and navigate to the new copy of the extension. You should see you have the extension twice now. Disable the real one. I say disable because there is a bad side to this approach, and that is you lose automatic updates and you will need to repeat the above steps over and over again every time it updates. If you are not sure which is the real and your new copy, look under the ID tag for loaded from path.
One thing that works for me is manually killing off the process for the plugin each time Chrome starts using the Chrome Task Manager. This can be achieved as follows. On Mac, in Menu, More Tools, Task Manager. On PC, you right-click on the menu bar, Task Manager or Shift+Escape. Then simply click on the extension that you don't want running and click End Process. At work I have 2 computers and I don't want Google Hangouts popping up on both. The only bad thing is you have to do this every time you start up Chrome.
If you want to support the channel, maybe consider liking and subscribing.